Hello, welcome to Whiteland Restorations. It's time to get the black Tolbert in the booth to get some spray filler on. Today we have a special guest, Ian from Hubnut, who's going to help us with some muscle and move some cars around.
I'm all about the muscle.
Hopefully it won't be long before this one goes to its owner.
No.
It keeps getting delayed.
It does. We've got an oil leak.
I'm scared to touch it.
Steering lock.
Oh no.
I'm running out of petrol. Right, there we go.
Doesn't matter if we hit the Volvo, does it?
Oh God. Life flashed before my eyes then.
There we go.
That's one done.
Oh, that's not bad talking.
Next step is to move the black one in into its home for the next couple of weeks. Unfortunately, it's not like you see in a lot of TV shows where the cars get painted in a day. No, funnily enough.
Do you know what, that's been the funny thing with Tim, because he preps everything for us to go there. So like the roof comes off like, ta-da!
Magic!
Which is definitely not how it goes.
Sporting the optional extra recycling bag wheel covers.
They fit perfectly.
So that is all ready now to be sprayed with spray filler. Brilliant stuff. Oh, appreciate that. Saves me having to shift things.
When we come, I mean, we're away. But beyond that, we're here, so just shout.
Flip her in.
It's nice and warm as well.
Yeah.
Oh, little bake in the sun always does world of good. There we go.
There we go. And now we're good.
In rough position.
Gosh, it's been fun watching this one through.
Yeah.
Oh, hasn't it?
Disaster.
Oh, it's a gift that keeps on giving.
It is, yeah.
And then,
Right. Thank you very much, Ian.
I think we've got one more card to get in though, haven't we?
We've got one more card to get in. Want to try
Keys
that?
are in it. I think the keys are in it. Yeah.
Rusty!
She's like, yes.
Give her a bit of throttle. There she is. Oh yeah, probably should have mentioned the brakes.
Rusty?
Wow.
And where's handbrake?
Oh, mention the
Maybe
handbrake.
mention that one.
How do you drive that without a brake?
It's like air brakes on a truck. There's 2000 psi behind that pedal, and you're kind of operating a tiny little valve.
Yeah.
Fierce.
Very fierce.
So we've got a special visitor in the workshop for the next few weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, Giselle is here. Finally to sort the scratches out. I've
Yeah.
been on this car for almost 2 years now.
Can you send them?
Let's have a look. I haven't seen him actually. I think I've always been out when the cars come up. So what have we got?
A whole bunch of nasty scratches here.
Oh yeah.
A couple of little dents. Nothing major.
No,
Nothing
just drove
major.
the nicest car I own into a cave.
These things happen. We'll get it sorted out.
You certainly will.
Yeah.
Look forward to it.
So that'd be good. I suppose you'll see it next when it's done.
Yeah. Next video.
Right then. Thank you very much for dropping it off, guys.
You're welcome.
How's it going?
Very good.
Oh, what a busy morning we've had.
Oh, yes.
Well, it's about to get a lot busier this afternoon. Lewis has been a busy bee getting a lot of the masking done on the Tolberts.
Yeah.
I've been doing some errands, and we're not that far away from from spray filler time, I'd say.
We are not. All I've got to do is mask up one more wheel arch, put a skirt around the bottom, and degrease and tack. We're ready to mix up some stuff and straight on. So
Cool.
I enjoyed this at a good time.
Good.
This big bit of paper for this wheel arch. As you can see, I've already put tape down across the wheel arch.
Yep, I can see you put like a little tape edge.
Return.
Yeah. So
I didn't really want the spray filler to be going into the returns. You don't need the spray filler over everything. You just want it where you want the straight panels to be.
Tuck that in. Stuff it all in.
We are done masking.
Amazing. And here we go. This is the setup for today's session.
It sure is. Novol Professional Spray Filler. I've been using this stuff for years. It's great stuff.
Really good stuff. Gives you really good coating, doesn't it? It's tough as nails and easy to block down if you don't leave it too long.
Comes as a kit. Big tin, 2 hardeners. Small tin, 1 hardener. IPS didn't have enough big tins in stock for us to do this car, so we got a few extra little tins to make up for it.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is enough. I know it looks like a lot of products, but it's the kind of stage of a car where you don't want to scrimp out. You don't want to go, I wish I gave it another coat, it would have been even nicer.
Oh.
So you want to apply as much as you can.
It's like the foundations of a good house.
Is it?
Yeah, you've got good foundations to put a house on top.
Okay.
Good foundations to put the paint on top.
That's interesting because this goes off as hard as concrete. I'll be using my trusty 3mm jet Iowata spray gun. It's great, it really throws material out.
Yeah.
3mm jet, look at that size.
You can see right down that ball.
Great big,
Yeah, it just throws it out.
brilliant. And yeah, I mean,
Don't be stingy with
product.
it. Yeah. Get
We've
it on.
got to degrease the car next, and then we'll mix up some.
If you show everybody the degreaser you use, because I can't be around when you've got that out, so I'll be doing a disappearing act.
We'll
You got anti-silicone?
Yeah, we'll.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the car, when it was finished, it went over to a detailer and was detailed because the car was finished.
Silicone-based
They used
products.
a lot of silicone-based products, and we've been struggling with silicone on it. So we bought this to remove the silicones. And it's been doing a good job. So again, I'm going to use this to wash it down with, make sure it's silicone-free.
Silicone is the worst nightmare of a paint shop.
Oh yeah, worse than dirt.
Worse than dirt.
Or worse than flies. I don't know, is it worse than flies?
Sometimes you get really big flies though.
Yeah. It's about the same as having a bug in your paintwork.
You haven't had a bumblebee yet.
No, unfortunately. Anyway, yeah, anti-silicone or silicone remover, degreaser. That's what I'm going to be using to wipe the car down with.
Yeah.
And then I'll be back to mix up some stuff. Right, anti-silicone degreaser. This is just a nice microfiber. Get it nice and wet. The stuff is good.
And rub it over the panels, yeah. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies. Can you take that?
I can take that, I guess.
Oh no, you flipped it around. Don't know what that means for recording.
Nor do I. We'll find out. Lovely bit of degreasing here. Look at the view. A view and degreaser. What more could you want? A sheep? Because there's one over there. Fizzy wine guns. There you go, have it. There you have it, folks. Leanne's craving for today is fizzy wine guns. Here you go, madame. I think I've seen enough degreasing.
Thank you. Right then, you crack on.
Right, we're back in the mixing room. So the mix ratio for the Novol spray filler is a bit of an odd one really. They give you 2 of these vials of hardener per 1 big can, and the little cans have 1 vial per can. And they do come with their own thinners. You have to use their own thinners. I've decanted all the thinners into there so I can equally put, well, I can measure out my thinners the way I want it to be for my 3mm jet. So let's mix up a bit and put it in the gun. I've already decanted half of this tin into here. So all I need for this is 1 of these hardener vials. It's always a scary moment. Stuff goes off very fast. Good. And I need just a splash of the thinners. And I need to mix it. So I'm not going to mess around mixing it. I've got a homemade mixing thingy. Always filter.